I bought the Fujifilm X-S10 with my hard-earned dollars. Let's open this thing and go over what's inside plus what isn't. Let me whip out the knife first. Then let's mix the drums back in. Now you can watch me struggle to open this box. Safety first, let me put the knife away. Now let's add the instruments. We're going to give this box a nice little twirl. One time for the one time. Another twirl. Two time for the two time. I know you guys are probably like, we opened this box already. All right. Here's the manual. Some of you will trash it. Some of you will keep it and look through it. Whatever your prerogative is, just do it. I'm going to set it aside. Now, this is some sort of divider, I guess just for spacing. There's nothing in here, so let's just toss it. Here's the showstopper. We're going to come back to this. Now let's drop the drums. Down in the main compartment is where you will find the accessories. I'm going to do a quick unpackaging, so give me a minute while I air out my vocals. Now, let's take a minute to enjoy the beauty of this camera. Oh my God, look at this thing. All right, let's break down everything that came inside of this box. This is the headphone adapter. There is no headphone source on this camera, so if you want to hear playback audio, you will need this adapter. This is the USB cable. This cable is good for charging your batteries and transferring your files off the camera if you prefer to have a hard connection to your computer. Now for the battery. The IBIS is going to eat this thing up. I made a video about this one, but you're definitely going to need multiple batteries or a large power bank. This is a shoulder strap, self-explanatory. All right, this is a wall charger. This does not come in the box. I repeat, this does not come in the box. I guess Fuji felt that it took courage to exclude this from being in the box. So unfortunately, you will have to buy this separately. All right, one last thing that doesn't come in the box, a memory card. I bought this 256 gigabyte memory card since there is only one card slot in the camera. I need a card that can keep up with 4K video, so this can do exactly that. Links in the bio for everything included in this video.